Hello, hi, good people. Welcome to Zululand Studio TV. Uhleli no ZAMA NGUBANE, also known as the Short Shanders. And today we'll be getting to know Buyie with everything that she does, everything she's accomplished, and getting to know how she became the queen that she is. So, yeah, that's the show for today. And today we're doing a special interview, getting to know the life of Buyie. Hi, Buyie.
Hi, Zama.
Unjani?
Oh,
So I want to get to know Buyie. I've seen you blossom from childhood up until now into the beautiful woman that you are today. So who is Buyie?
well, I can say we is an aspiring 21-year-old model.
Mm-hmm.
I'm a student at Nduh College doing my N5 this year in public management. I'm a model, yeah. Just recently started with a fashion show that was held in Nduh for Miss and Mr. Nduh. I was under MBM Designs, which is founded by Mbali Makolo.
Alright.
From there, I just took an interest in modeling, and then I continued, and then I took part in Miss Nduh, which I became the first princess.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm a go-getter. Yeah, I believe in going after what I want, especially in modeling because I was too afraid to embrace my body. I kind of felt like it wasn't the body that I wanted. You see, I was looking at you, was like, yo,
Yeah.
oh my god, those thighs and everything, but then
Please.
yeah, it has always been like that. But now, yeah, in this journey, I'm learning to embrace my body. Yeah,
So how did the whole modeling career start?
it was something that I really didn't even take like into consideration before. Everyone told me like, you've got a model's body, you should consider modeling. I was like, I can't.
Why?
Bruh, I'm too shy. Honestly, I'm not one to just stand in front of people, smile and all that. Yeah, but then getting into TD, which is owned by Nduh. I think that's where it started because when Nduh made me the ambassador, I became familiar with the camera, and then from there, Mbali approached me to be one of her models. And then I saw that I can do this, I can do this, and then I wanted to continue and do more. I was approached by the founder of Miss and Mr. ZAMA. I can't remember the guy's name. It's Mthembu.
Okay.
Yeah. And then he told me that like he's hosting this modeling thing in NGUBANE just to empower youth, just to get it off the streets, because actually NGUBANE is a wala makhaya lawa. Yeah, it's like there's no going forward because even the talent lakhona it's based there.
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to get out there, like that, to show people. Would say we also have talent, we have model, we have musicians, we have everything. We have artists of all sorts.
Yeah.
But then we're disadvantaged because we're from a rural area.
Yeah.
So being a part of this has been such a privilege, and I'm not stopping now. I'm definitely going.
You're so ambitious and you are so focused. I mean, me myself, knowing you, there's a lot I can learn from you as a person. I want to understand that parents, they like to push us in a certain direction. When you wanted to become a model, what did your parents think about it?
They were actually happy.
That's a
surprisingly, my dad was even more excited than me. Like
that's a new one.
Yeah, like
that's a new one.
Even though my mom supported me, like I mean it's common for moms to support their daughters and modeling especially. But then my father was like, we need to push this. She needs to be a model. We need to support her and everything. It was a shock for me too because I've never really done something that my father like said this is good for you. You should continue doing this. Yeah, it was a first.
Wow, that is so unbelievable. You know, it's a difficult industry, modeling.
Yeah,
it's a very difficult industry, and to have parent support is utmost important.
It's very important to have people who support you, especially when they get to attend the pageants that you are in. You see, I was very nervous during Miss Summer Nduh. Oh, I was thinking of so many things. I was even thinking of pulling out. But then after seeing my mom, my whole family there, everyone cheering for me, I just put on a smile and rocked that stage.
Ooh, girl.
Yes,
you
girl.
girl. Honestly, there's so much that you do. You did mention earlier that you are a student.
Yeah.
And you attend pageants. What else do you do on your part-time?
I bake, mostly. Yeah, most of the time I bake. I spend most of my time in the kitchen.
Teach me how to bake.
You should come by.
I need to learn how to bake, guys. Yo.
Right now, I'm thinking of going further into baking, like maybe get even a qualification for it, because I also love it. Like, I enjoy being in the kitchen and baking. I do take orders, like if someone has maybe funerals or any gathering, I do like cover it. Maybe people order like 20 liters of scones and all that. I also do part-time. I do makeup.
Okay.
Yeah, this December was very busy with that. And then I was also busy with the picnic setups. I do picnic setups, whether for a birthday or a baby shower, anything really.
Wow.
Even if it's for you and your special someone.
Ooh,
I'm
girl.
a girl.
Ooh, girl. You know you're gonna be helping me with that one now. You know. But I want to know, how do you balance everything? Between schoolwork, pageants, baking, decoration, all of that, how do you balance it?
For that, I'll have to thank my mother. Because without her, I don't think I'll even be able to show up at school. Because she's my everyday motivation. She pushes me to be better all the time. She supports me, and we do everything together. When it's a pageant, she's involved. When it's baking, she's there with me. When it's makeup, she makes sure that everything I need for makeup, it's there. If it's for the picnic setups, any color that the person is requesting, she makes sure that I get it. Actually, without her and her car, of course.
She's good for that driving.
Of course. I don't think I'd be able to do everything. Yeah.
Wow. Hero mom. I'm gonna thank mom as well for the love she shares. You know. But boy, I want to know, being shy about your body back then and embracing it now, do you think there's anything ever gonna stop you from doing modeling?
No. I think this is a confidence booster for me. So if I let go of this, what's gonna boost my confidence? Like being involved in modeling, it has really introduced me into a whole new world. I didn't think even people would support me in modeling.
Why not? You are amazing.
Yes, it's self-esteem, self-confidence. I didn't have any of that.
Yeah.
I really lacked. But then, I don't think I can ever stop right now. I actually want to be a supermodel from here to the top, darling.
Yes, that's where you headed.
Yes.
But between stage modeling and photo modeling, which one would you prefer? And would you, sorry to ask this if it's personal, but would you do a nudist shoot?
My mom doesn't have to see this one, but then I definitely would. Yes, I would, especially to boost my confidence even more. Yeah, to show that I'm embracing my body even more. Because having a slim body doesn't mean that you don't have scars or stretch marks or whatever. I've got all of that, so that's why it was kind of restricting me to go further. But now,
you're fine with it.
I'm fine with it. Okay. I'm fine with my stretch marks, with my scars and everything. They are me. I can't change it.
Oh, I'm so proud of the woman you're becoming. Oh my gosh. To any girl out there, me specifically, I'm so scared to be in front of the camera. I'm so scared to try. What advice would you give to a person out there that aspires to be like you?
For me, personally, it was getting to work with someone I'm familiar with. That's how it started. Because my photographer used to use always almost where is it good vibes? No, it's good. Yeah, it's good vibes photography. Yeah. He's so chilled. Like he makes me relax and everything. So with someone who you're familiar with, you can relax. You can face the camera. You can do anything. Like yeah, your body doesn't restrict you in any way.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think, and for anyone who wants to be familiar with the camera, they have to first get someone they're familiar with to start with, and then as professionalism you can get like anyone else, because I'm here today with a lot of new faces. Yeah, I'm facing the camera and it's okay.
I'm so happy for you. I mean, where there's, I see that people have been approaching you. So anyone that's watching this and wants to approach you, how do they get in contact with you?
Well, I am on Facebook as Buyie Nduh and Mthembu. I'm on Instagram at Buyie_Mthembu. And for WhatsApp, I'm also there for bookings or whatever. Yeah, I'm also a promoter, so yeah, I do take bookings. It's on 066 2006862 for WhatsApp, and then 068 322 928 for calls.
Okay, thank you so much for coming here today.
Thank you for
I'm so inspired by everything that you've said, and it's been an amazing day to be with you and to start the year off like this by a young woman that aspires to be great and is able to make herself great with the little she has, only pushing herself forward. I'm so inspired by you.
Thank you.
So guys, do catch her on all social media platforms, as well as us on Zululand Studio TV, on Instagram, Twitter, as well as Facebook. And we love you guys. Mwah!